Hey guys, welcome to this little throwback video from Fish Life Outdoors. Now, I call it a throwback video because I actually filmed it a couple months ago. Completely forgot to release it out on the channel. Don't know why, must have got lost in the files, found it this morning and said, hey, let's run it. It is completely all new, fresh content for you guys. So you guys have never seen this before. Now, we actually head out to two different East Texas lakes in this video. We head over to Lake Lavon for some deeper water Carolina rig and crankbait fishing and end up catching multiple species of fish. The very next morning, we head out to the Goat Lake for some frog action. Y'all check it out. Hey guys, what up? Z-Dub from Fish Life Outdoors coming at you. We are at Lake Lavon, Texas. I hadn't been to Lavon in forever. Last time I was at Lavon was before the first of the year. You guys saw the video. Got a little mini tournament slash challenge going on today. Got D-Dub and my boy Cody B, old Brunei, in the old Legend. Z-Dub will be in a side piece naturally, and we're gonna do a little tournament. We ain't decided yet whether we're gonna do big fish, 3 fish or 5 fish, depending on how many we catch, I reckon. But man, I did something this morning I ain't never done before in my life. I seen this old boy walking on the side of the road holding a fishing pole, and I said, man, I need a partner for the day. There he is right there. There he is right there, aka Papa Frank Bush, my father-in-law. So you know what to say about them in-laws. He may end up in Lavon, he may not, depending on how many fish he can put in the boat.
Have you thrown a crankbait?
I was fixing to sling one out there a couple times. Right after I catch this fish right here.
You got one?
Yep. Stay down. Stay down.
What was he on? Worm?
Carolina rig.
Yeah.
But you know what, Frank?
What?
We got one in the boat, baby.
That's good.
We got one in the boat. God darn it, he's done swallowed it.
Don't complain.
Dripping blood all over my freaking boat.
Hey, it's gonna happen.
I know it.
Got one?
Oh, that's a good fish, I think.
Need a net?
Get it just in case. Stay down. Nah, he ain't very big, Frank. I think I can just flip him.
Okay.
Ooh, that is a good fish.
Yes, good fish. About 3.5.
There we go, right there, Fish Life. Frank, let's stay here for just a minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll take that all day long. Boy, look at the holes in that fish's lip, would you?
How many times?
See that?
How many times has he been caught?
Now, he's got some little pus buildup there on the top, or some cartilage buildup. I'm not sure what that is, but that's a nice fish. That sucker's fat, too. Yes, sir, Frank.
Gotta stay with worm or something like that. Here goes that.
Get one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he's little.
That's all right, Frank. Hey, that's our 3-man limit right there. We winning the contest right now. Give me some. Look at old Pop, y'all.
Oh, Lord.
Hey, this, in case y'all didn't know, this is Dinkmaster 5000's grandpa. Look at that. Hold that fish up. Hold that fish up. Hold that fish up. Yeah. Look. Ah. Hey, you see where old Dinkmaster nephew gets it. Good job, Pop.
Oh, Lord. Little old bass. But we ain't gonna...
Let's see what we got here. Grandfather to Dinkmaster 5000. I think that's what you would call a dink. Hey, y'all. Old nephew gets it pretty honest. Look at it. Look at that. Well, Look, hey, I'm gonna take that home and put it in the fish tank.
Hey, hey, that's tough to catch on the hook.
Hey, but he ain't big enough to cull one of our other ones, so we're gonna go ahead and turn him loose. Look at this.
You turd. Go ahead.
That might cull a fish.
Look and see. You probably may call that in a man. Get him.
Not the right species, but that's a double.
The old D-dub and big cuss show.
Yeah, cuz.
Get him D-dub. Tried, did not succeed. Multi-species episode.
Yeah, I guess we just went ahead and tackled them all in one video, huh?
Felt like I had some head shakes for a second. Oh, that's, yeah, that's a socket. Like, put that one in the live well. I don't know if he'll measure.
I'm not gonna measure.
Damn, tricky.
What are you shaking for, bro? I'm just trying to get.
Oh, yeah. I can hear that.
Now that is an absolute slab.
That one's keeping. We're keeping that one. I'm keeping that one.
I mean, absolute.
That's a good one.
That's a good.
Eating good tonight.
All right, guys. Hey, we're gonna wrap it up from beautiful Lake Lavon. Kind of a tough bite early. They didn't really start biting for us. I don't know about you guys. They didn't start biting for us till about 10:30 when we caught our first fish. But once they did, we kind of found out a pattern. Stay on concrete, stay on boat ramps, find the rocks, get down in them rocks. But we had a little big fish challenge going on, and big fish of the day. Let's see what it looks like. Yes, sir. Nice little fish. DW, who caught that fish right there?
My guess goes to old Pops, old Z-Dub.
Boom, right here. Hey, you guys saw the footage. There's a new Dink Master 5000 in the house right here. Oh, Pop, Cody. Hey, enjoyed it. Frank, appreciate you. D-Dub, hey, we'll be out tomorrow, won't we?
Always.
So will you, Pop? All right, hey, stay tuned. We might get some bonus footage from you for you on Lake Fork. So only thing else to say is when you bite that Lyfe, what you do? You get out and live it, baby. All right, guys. Hey, you saw us have a nice little day on Lavon yesterday, to be honest with you. Tough bite, cold front conditions. Naturally, you can see we all bundled up this morning. It's 48 degrees. We out here on the Goat Lake. So a little bonus footage for you. See if we can get into a good one or two at least. Kind of like a little dessert, if you will. Got old D-Dub up here manning the trolling motor. We got old Dink Master Papa there. Dink Master Senior, that's what we're gonna call him, Dink Master Senior. So, hey, let's do some good. Get him, head? Good one? No, not too bad. Not too bad.
Keeper. No, not out here. It ain't it.
Ooh, son of a. I like to just went over.
Huh?
Early morning frog fishing. Ooh. Nice little
Frogging
slab.
on the Goat Lake. Hey, that's a good under, huh? Be a good tournament under right there, son.
I'd take it.
Good one?
That might be a good. I would have to hold. I don't know if he's hung up or.
Good fish.
Not too bad.
Good fish.
Not a bad fish here, D. Oh, D-Dub.
How about that one, guys? I'm talking about, hey, we came out to Fork this morning, we decided we was gonna throw this little frog bite, huh? I'd say he was all over that frog bite. Man, that's a solid Lake Fork chunk right there. Now, unfortunately, that one's gonna be in a slot for you guys. But hey, I'll take it.
All right, so D-W's putting it on us.
Goody, you need a net?
I don't know if I need the net.
No? You sure? You ain't living?
No, I'll flip.
Go ahead, Zach.
I think you done horsed him out. Another solid fish. I guess this one's good.
Good fish.
Frogging on the Goat Lake this morning. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, fish lifers. It was about an inch too long. Still a solid fish here on a cold morning, Pop.
It's cold. D's giving us a lesson this morning.
Yes, sir. Flip him on here. Nice one.
I'd say he wanted all of that one.
Frogging on the Goat Lake, baby.
Frogging on the... Ow. That's a good little fish right there. He... What is it, 16?
16. See if I can catch the female.
Guys, that right there is a solid, about a 15.5-inch fish. That's a solid underfish. Right there. Frogging on the Goat Lake. What's that roll right there just in front of it?
You whacking or you?
No, that's the side of it.
What happened?
I'm fine.
You okay? Huh?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What? Explain to me what happened.
We gotta go in here. Close. Yeah.
We freeze to death out here.
Very nice. You all right, Han?
I thought a fish had blown up right there.
All right, when you don't know how to keep your feet in a boat and you end up back first into the water, sometimes your crock gets shoved down in the mud and you got to go down there and look for your crock. And there's a shotgun wad. That ain't a crock. We got one crock there on the back deck back there with old Dink Master Pop, and we're trying to find the other crock, because hey, you don't leave a crock behind ever.
You found it.
All right guys, so we've been 15 minutes looking for a crock, because you know you don't ever leave a crock. When you fall out of the boat and you shove it down in the mud, you don't ever leave a crock. So
right, you ready?
where is it, D-Dub?
We're noodling.
Got him!
Straight neck.
Oh, wouldn't have it any other way. Welcome to Fish Life Outdoors, people, where we noodle crocks. All right, well, there you have it. Crock noodling on Fish Life Outdoors. Hey, appreciate you guys watching this little throwback episode. Again, I call it a throwback because it was filmed a couple months ago, early June, I believe. I just lost the file. I don't know what happened. Life happened, I guess. Who knows? But was able to get on a few good fish out on Lavon, and then went out to Fork, and you know, DW really put the hammer on them frogging on the Goat Lake. So again, this video was shot probably early June, if I remember correctly, because the in-laws were out here for Father's Day. So hey, put it in your Rolodex. Early June, crankbaits, Carolina rigs, probably shaky heads too. We didn't try a shaky head, but you know, those will all work out on Lavon. Find the rocks, find the hard stuff, fish it hard. On Fork, again, we only fished a couple hours that morning, was able to pick up some good frog fish. So appreciate you guys watching this episode of Fish Life Outdoors, even though it was a little throwback. Fresh content for you guys though. So hey, don't forget, you know what I'm about to say, when you bought that life, just get out and live it.